What did you do to yourself? Are you in the kitty tunnel? Look at this, you guys. He's crawling out. He's trying anyway. I think he's stuck. Are you tuck, Landon? Huh? Are you tuck in the kitty tunnel?
This is familiar coming out of a tunnel. Did he come out? The reverse of me. Landon.
I can't believe he's not upset. Hi! Peek Boo! How did you get in there, Landon? I knew you guys liked the kitty tunnel, but hey. Look. Because I know I should be able to get out right here. He's going to get mad pretty soon. Look, you got your sockies off too. Hi. Uh-huh. Landon! Hey! Peeky Boo! Katie, I didn't think they'd actually fit in.
Big Bug!
What happened?
Oh, there!
There him goes. Katie.